Hello everybody, this is Guillermo Mariano. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Shure Beta58A that I got from Autorama. So I think it's going to be pretty cool, so let's just check it out. So this box, got a little the paper here, bubble wrap. This is the Shure Beta58A microphone. Oops, it's upside down. Whoops, sorry about that. So here it is. In terms of the box itself, looked like it's been scratched. There's just, I guess, an inventory, moving it around. It's been there for a while. If we look at the information here on the right, let me just mark off the serial number. Looks like it was manufactured December 21st of 2020, so right before Christmas. So I guess just not too long ago. And we have nothing over here on this side of the box. Over here, I keep sorry, first time doing a unboxing. So all right, anyway, I also bought a popper windscreen for that Shure microphone. It got squished in there. I guess Autorama was just trying to conserve as much space as possible in the box. So let's throw it to the side. So here is the microphone itself. So one of the main gripes that I have with Shure is that when the microphone comes out of the brand new, there's no tape here to indicate that you are getting a brand spanking new product. I'm guessing that just the way that they package the product, Shure does it so that when musicians have to take a look at this microphone at a music store, they can easily get access to it. But I actually bought this Shure Beta58A the first time from Guitar Center, and that was the thing that caught my eye, that there wasn't a sticker or anything marking it as brand new. So I wasn't sure, hey, is this a brand new item, or did you just put it in a box and give it to me like that? So just FYI, if you're getting a box, there's no sticker to indicate that this box hasn't been opened. So that's just one of the weirdness about buying a Shure product. But you know, this is my second product. I returned the other Guitar Center item thinking it was already opened, and mainly because when I looked at the item on other unboxings, it came packaged in differently. But I can tell that the way that this thing has been packaged is different from some of those unboxes that have taken place on YouTube from 4 years ago or even 2 years ago. So here is the clip for the microphone, the Shure manual, I guess measuring tape to show you the distance, the proper distance as to how to use the microphone. And this is the microphone itself. So now all it is, it's just a microphone that's wrapped in bubble wrap, and no longer is there a plastic sleeve around it. It's just the microphone all by itself. So here it is, in all its glory, right? Okay. And hefty, it's got weight to it, so that's a good thing, right? Other items on here are the sticker, a Shure sticker that you get in here, a clip, an extender clip, adapter in a little bag, the carry-on bag for you to hold your microphone going forward, right? Take a look at the inside. There it is. Shure product, nice and soft. feel to it, and a strap. I have no idea what this strap is used for, and other information, I guess, for carrying of your Shure microphone, warranty, limited warranty, and that is it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.